Cord and put it on. Hey guys, this is obviously a praying mantis. It got on my hand. I mean, I pulled it out of. I was boiling corn. Somehow, I had to go use the restroom. I saw it flying around, drowning, obviously. But I've been trying to shake this thing off my hand. It won't go away. I can't. I don't know what to do with it. I've tried to put it on wood or something. It just seems like it will not go away till it cleans itself, whatever. But it's kind of like us guys. When we get in a mess, we know what matters most is we don't want to leave God's hand for a lot of times. You know, we know we got ourselves in trouble, but that saving hand sometimes it expresses God's mercies. Even an animal like this, it understands the mercies of God and how He does with us. We are sometimes we can't save ourselves, so He comes in and that expresses God's grace and mercy. But this thing don't want to leave my hand. I've tried to put it on wood. It just will not leave, but it's cleaning itself right now. But I guess that's a good expression of how God sees us. You know, comes and saves us when we can't save ourselves, right? And then we don't want to leave, if you will. Anyway, I want to share that with you. I don't know when she's going to be ready to go. You know, she flaps her wings, trying to get her to get off my hand, but she won't leave. But anyway, God bless you. Praying mantis. Wow. Who thought? There she goes. She's flapping her wings now. Maybe she was going to go. Let me see. She's getting her wings back, right? So, yeah, she was drowning. She's getting ready to fly. Hopefully she's getting herself together. It's kind of it's just an expression of God's mercy toward us. You know, just where we're at. Wait, her little antenna thing is kind of weird. She's getting it. She's getting it. Now she's looking at you. See, look. She's giving you a look. Saying, hey guys, how y'all doing? Okay, let's keep it going.
Are you going to turn it off?
No, keep it going. This is cool. I'm gonna try to get her to leave my hand if I can get her on this, but I don't know. Maybe because I did something, she don't want to leave. Maybe she'll, come on. She ain't wanting to leave. She ain't ready yet. She's kind of dragging. I think she'll survive. I don't know. She looks pretty rough. Hope this don't creep you guys out. It creeped me out, but she won't leave my hand. So what do, right? I don't want to kill it, and I don't want to. It's going to sit here, I guess, wait for a minute. There she goes. She's going to climb on the phone.
Oh, now she's on the phone.
She's on the phone. So I guess she's making her way off my hand. Let me get her off. Come on. You get back on.
I was going to put her back on that.
She won't spit back on my hand. Let me see if I can get her to go on something else. Just keep watching it. Come on. She's gonna climb up my shirt. Now don't do that.
Now she's going to get near your head and you're going to
No,
freak
that ain't
out.
gonna work. But wait a minute.
She's going to keep going up if you
Don't
don't
do
something.
that. I'm gonna take my shirt off. Yep, she's on my head. Go ahead.
She's way on your head.
You had that right. Now she's on my head. What am I gonna do? Oh my goodness. Just don't crawl. Get her off.
I'm trying. All right, now she's on me.
That's Patsy, my wife. Yeah. She was drowning, by the way, if you just now getting it. Your turn, Patsy. You go ahead.
Well, no, I think she's all right. I gotta put the phone down with that.
That's just crying. Don't hit her. Oh, there
All
she
right,
goes.
There she goes.
She's on. There she
Now
goes.
she's on the flowers.
She's on the flowers.
All right.
Say goodbye. Good night, honey. Well, God bless you guys. I hope that God's grace. That's what He does. That's the way it works. Sometimes God will save us to the uttermost, even though we find ourselves in a weird situation. God bless you. Amen.